Hello dear students, welcome to CR's digital classes. The topic that we are going to deal with is the stereochemistry of SN2 reaction. As we already covered the SN2 reaction, how the reaction occurs, the mechanism, energy profile and all. Now we see the stereochemistry. Now to understand the stereochemistry, first we have to know what is stereochemistry. The stereochemistry is a spatial arrangement, or that means how atoms or groups in a molecule are arranged in the space. If there are same groups here, we can see the example of methane given here. Methane has 4 hydrogens linked to the carbon which are similar. So because of that, it is called symmetric or achiral and optically inactive. If there are different groups, like in this example given here, this is an example of general formula of an amino acid. So there are 4 different groups present here which form asymmetric nature, which gives asymmetric nature to that molecule. So they are called as chiral molecules and they are optically active. So there are many examples for the optically active compounds like amino acids, carbohydrates, etc. Generally, for general reference, if we have to say any compound to be chiral or asymmetric, we can say that carbon surrounded with 4 different groups. All such carbons are chiral or asymmetric. So coming to the stereochemistry of SN2 reaction, the nucleophilic attack in SN2 reaction is always backwards. That means if the molecule is present vertical in this plane, in vertical plane, the nucleophile will always attack from the backside. So because of that backward attack, which is depicted in the transition state, we can see that in the transition state, there is a change in configuration of the molecule. That means the spatial arrangement of the molecule in the product will be changed. Product will be in different configuration if we compare with reactant. Such inversion is called as Walden inversion, as discovered by him in 1890, Paul Walden. So it is majorly observed in optically active halides, like for example 2-bromobutane. Now to understand how it is changed, how the configuration is changed, we can compare the molecule with a flipped umbrella. The reactant will look like this, like a normal umbrella. When we open a normal umbrella, it will be looking like this. So the reactant will be looking like this, but whereas the product will be upside inverted umbrella, which looks like this. So this inversion in configuration is called Walden inversion. Walden inversion. So we can see the example here. When 2-bromobutane in presence of a base undergoes SN2 reaction, as the nucleophile attacks from backside, the bromine after removal, we can see the transition state that there is a backward attack of nucleophile, and from the front the present nucleophile, bromide ion, halide ion, is removed. So here, because of this, there is an inversion of configuration. The configuration has changed from an open umbrella to flipped umbrella. So this suggests that Walden inversion. I hope you have understood. Thank you.